what am I looking for, and making sure I'm not just trading in a bunch of noise. And
that's more than enough, right?
It's plenty. I mean, 150% there. I don't know how much that ran on cues, but it must have been pretty nice.
Yeah, happened.
All right, so we can go into some trades.
Yeah.
I guess we can talk about this Netflix trade. All right, so the first trade that I'm going to go ahead and review, and of course, this is a massive trade. This has been the biggest trade of my career. So I know they're not all going to be like this, right? We're going to show some losers as well. Yeah, of course. Hopefully we beat this soon, but this was a massive trade. This was actually a swing trade, right? So switching it up a little bit here, this works on swing trading as well, right? Amazing. So there's setups that I'll look to swing trade the retest rejection, right? Same way, but just on a larger time frame. So we'll go over this one. And then we'll jump into some losers, some smaller trades, some normal trades. This one's an outlier, no doubt, right? This is not normal for me. This was a trade that I also put a decent amount of size in and risk, right? So you can see I risked about $35,000 on this trade. I put about $82,000 in the trade. So a pretty large size trade. It was a break and retest rejection. That was the playbook, right? The same thing we just talked about on the whiteboard. You're going to see it's the same exact concept, what we just looked at, right? So let me go ahead and show you why I looked for this trade on Netflix. So what we're looking at here is the 4-hour chart on Netflix, right? And we're going to go ahead and spot where are those key inflection points on Netflix, right? And so looking at this chart, we can see that right around here, around February 25th to around March 5th, we have a very clear area on the 4-hour chart that Netflix was attempting to hold above, right? We can see multiple attempts holding above that level, multiple tries to push back higher.